I don't know what's in these Mimikyu. I'm hoping to get one. Energy. Oh, I don't have this one yet. I don't even know what it is. Off to a good start. Cute. What is that? Okay, so it's going in my cute pile. That's cute. I like that one. Okay. Interesting. A trainer. A bunny with abs. Last one. Ooh. Strategy. Okay. Not mad. Okay. Okay, got a dinosaur. I love this guy. I got another one. Okay. A dupe. I got this one again. Same order as well. Trainer. Can y'all see? I think I have this one. I think I got that one. This one's really cute. Pretty. Energy. What are some of these energies? I am so dumb. Okay. Okay. Cute. Oh, we just got her, but different form. Okay. Ooh, this one's cute. Is that a cake? I have a food page. Yo. Ooh, he's so cute. Ooh. Fire energy. I have not opened one of these. Ooh. Okay. I know I said I like this curve, and I don't want it that many times. Oh, okay. It's a sword. I don't know how I feel. Oh, city. Oh, it's a bird. Okay. Sorry, my visuals are not that bad. Not that good. Okay. 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 Oh, that was it? I hope you enjoyed watching this. Please like, follow if you want to see more. I want to do a binder tour. Anyways, bye guys.